What's up, y'all? Welcome to the day in the life of the 2023 4Runner TRD Pro in this solar octane colorway, which is practically a very bright and loud orange. You've got your typical headlights, fog lights, awkwardly placed front camera, and this weird panel here. Let's move to the back because there's not much to look at. Honestly speaking, not much stands out here. It's exactly what you'd expect from a 4Runner. You do have this TRD exhaust, badging here, roof rack, and that's literally it. So today we're actually gonna go camping with a 4Runner, so I have to go fill up because I'm a little too close to empty. When I first got in the cabin, the first thing I noticed is it's super outdated, as expected. The knobs, the buttons, the switches, the display is this old GPS system. This is literally the definition of if it ain't broke, it's not even don't fix it, I won't fix it, because that's literally what Toyota did for the last couple years. This interior is screaming 2014. Made it to the gas station. This has a 23-gallon tank. Nothing's fancy here, you just open it up. We're gonna go ahead and put some regular gas on this baby. So I had just under a quarter tank. I put $25 in at $3.15 per gallon, and we have 174 miles, and we're averaging 17.4 miles per gallon. And let's talk about Apple CarPlay real quick, because surprisingly, even though we have this super old display, again, looks very outdated, at least you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. However, it's wired with USB-A. You would think you would have USB-C in here, which is quite unfortunate, but now we're gonna go pick up some camping material. As far as tech and features in this cabin, there's really not that much. You have heated steering wheel, heated seats. I really like the TRD badging on the seats. They're fairly comfortable, nothing special here. And there's really not that much tech in this car. Of course, you have your safety features, you know, lane departure alert, radar cruise control, some of the safety sense features. But aside from that, not that much tech in this car, which I'm sure most of you guys don't really care too much about. Just got a quick haircut, but I have to say the most updated piece of tech in this cabin is literally this 360 camera system, where you get a bird's eye view of the actual vehicle, which makes it a lot easier to park. And it also works in off-roading mode to make it a little bit easier for you too. I know I'm in a parking lot, but I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. Shift to neutral, now shift to one of the off-roading modes, and boom, you get a bunch of different angles. You get the wheels on the side, and then you also have this gyroscopic sensor, so you can get an idea of like how even you are, like if you're, you know, if your car's slanted more towards the left side or the right side. But it's super useful, and I'm glad to see that on here. So we just bought a tent and some chairs as well. But let's talk about this cargo space. So it has this pull-out table, which is pretty cool. Toyota claims it can hold up to 440 pounds, which is a little bit sketchy to me because you can hear that wobble. You also have a full-on AC outlet in case you need to charge anything large. So that's great to see here. Bunch of compartments on the side, seats fold down as well. There's a speaker system back here, which is JBL, and also up here as well. The windows actually go down, which is really cool. But aside from that, that's all you get. If you glance beyond the bold aesthetics of this beast, it's evident that this car is born for off-roading adventures. I really like the lift and suspension that comes with this model because not only does it maintain good ride quality off-road, but it also handles really well. Despite its off-roading lineage, the 4Runner doesn't shy away from urban duties. Yes, its colossal size may feel a tad overwhelming at first, but it's well worth the level of confidence you feel when you're higher from the ground. So we made it. We got Mike grabbing stuff from the trunk, and then we've got Grant setting up the tent since none of us know how to.
It's going. I have no idea what I'm doing.
S'mores, first s'mores is up there.
In the grand spectrum of automotive artistry, the Toyota 4Runner has carved a niche, a testament to its sheer durability, performance, and timeless appeal. Yeah, the anticipation for a much-awaited refresh is hard to ignore. What surprises me is how exceptional this car has been
year to year without any major changes. I have to say it is hard to recommend this car to previous 4Runner drivers since the next generation is about to drop. And to those who don't particularly mind an older model, this upcoming transition period could be the perfect opportunity to bag a 4Runner at a great price. The road ahead certainly promises an exciting journey for every 4Runner enthusiast. My name is Victor Kamanga. Thank you for watching another Everything Automotive Journey. Bye.